my name is Lisa Grace and this is Nailchemy's YouTube channel. I hope you enjoyed this video. On this one, as you can see, I have the new Mystic Dreams collection, which I got far too excited about, and the minute I got them, I put them all on my nails. So for this nail, I'm going to go, I believe at this precise moment, Dave and H are at Glastonbury. I'm not jealous, not at all. Hope it's raining. Not jealous at all. So I'm going to go for a Glastonbury feel as an homage to Dave and H. Not jealous at all. Nope.
I love a festival-inspired Nailchemy.
Oh yes. So I'm going to use 6 out of the 8 that are in the collection, and we're just gonna do a complete mashup of blending. Where is my blending brush? Is it ombre brush? There it is. So I'm gonna pop these in. I'm gonna try and get as many colours on as I can actually. So I've got 6 out. And I've got it all over my own nails. I've got 6 out. We'll definitely get all 6 on. I may squeeze another 1 or 2 on. We'll see. And then we're just going to blend these with the ombre brush. Get them. These really blend into one another so nicely. So nicely. So coming in with the purple first. That is called Fantasy. Oh, I'm using my 00 brush, by the way. This one. And then I'll be coming in with the ombre brush afterwards. So next up is Shangri-La, which is a hot pink. So because they are sparkly, they blend into each other so well. So well. Shush, Max. So I'm doing it diagonally. Obviously you could do it vertically or whatever. I was going to do it horizontally, but I thought I'd actually get more colours on if I went diagonally. So next up is Exotic. So this is your bright orange. Some of that on there.
Oh, I love that.
I'm excited for this one.
So I wanted to do a tie-dye effect in these on.
Yes. Yeah, that'd look good. Right, next up is a yellow, and this is called Lucid.
Which hopefully Dave and H aren't.
Oh, I hope they're having a whale of a time.
I hope they've got their wellies.
It should be good weather, I think, actually.
It's Glastonbury. It always rains Glastonbury.
Yes, it's true.
And Wimbledon.
Next up is Vivid. This is your green.
Oh, I've been waiting for a green like this for a long time.
And then last up, I'm not going to get any more on there. I'm after this. Utopia, which is a gorgeous blue. You know how I feel about my blues, guys. This is stunning. Right, so I'm just going to clean my brush off, and I've got the ombre brush out. So I always keep some tissue next to me, just that we can keep wiping any residue off. I'm going to start in with the purple and very gently just feather. These particular ones need very little manipulation. They blend so beautifully. I mean, look how nice those two have blended in. I've barely touched them, just tickled them. And same again, pink to orange. Orange to yellow is always going to be a little bit trickier because there is quite a difference between these two. So might need to spend a little extra time blending these. So I'm going to come in and blend them down, and then I'll take the yellow back up into the orange. Just because we don't want that harshness now. But again, it's a nice gentle, just a tickle. There we go. And then yellow into green. And finally the green into the blue. Again, that blue's quite pigmented, so this one might need a little extra blending. But again, they're so easy to ombre these. Fabulous, look at that. And we're not even going to need a second coat on that. Right, pop that in the lamp for me, please. Let's give that a full cure. So that's just come out the lamp. I mean, look how pretty that is. Love how easy these colours blend into one another. So just when you think we've got enough sparkle on the nail, no, you can never have enough sparkle. I'm going to be popping some wizardry on here. So this is such an intense holographic, but it's also got the reflective glitter added into it. And not only that, it is magnetic. So it's like 3 punches in one. So, coats like this are great to add if you're not 100% happy with your blend. Obviously, I am 100% happy with my blend. They blended beautifully into one another. But because this is quite dense with glitter, if you have, in any of your blends on any of the colours, if you have got a little bit of a harshness that you're not keen on, something sparkly to go over the top will just help kind of disguise that. It's knowing all these little tips and tricks. So you can see that's added a lot more sparkle. I'm going to see if I bring my torch out onto that, you might be able to see. There you go, see how reflective that is. But in the natural sunlight, oh my god, this is, I did this on a client the other day, but we just did 3 colours. I did this on top and I was like, oh my god. I just wanted to smear her nails all over my face. They were so beautiful. Right, pop that in the lamp. Let's give that a cure.
Fluff, 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 fluff.
So pretty. But we've got no sunlight, so I can't show anybody. I love it when Max hears a noise. He goes to check it out, but he looks at Lando like, come with me.
Yeah. Save me from it, Lando.
Let's go together. Strength in numbers. Silly sausages.
I like the fact that Lando does as he's told.
Come, brother. Uh-oh. Okay, so that's just come out the lamp. So I'm going to come in with the top coat now. I'd love to go and show you what this looks like in the sunlight. But unfortunately, we don't have any today. So I can't. You'll just have to try it out for yourselves. See what it looks like.
Oh.
But it's that reflective glitter in it. It just catches the light in so many different angles. Okay, pop that in the lamp for a full cure, please, Sam. And I'm using the banana elixir oil. Can you tell it's my favourite? I'm nearly out of it. I have got another 2 full bottles though.
That one is my favourite.
It's the one I stock up on. Oh, it's definitely the best one.
I'm honoured that you're allowing me to buy it.
Oh, I just love it. I'd have a bath in this. I literally would. If I had a bath full of that cuticle oil, I would be in it. 100%. Yep.
Have you tried whacking a couple of drops just in the top of the bath?
No, I want a whole bath of it. Whole bath. Would that not be the best thing?
When did you win the lottery?
Well, I might sweet talk Dave and H, but can I have thousands and thousands of bottles of acrylic-gel, please? There you go, guys. Let me see if I can get the torch back on it again. I'm gutted I can't go and show you what it looks like in the sunlight, but hopefully you're getting a little bit of an idea there of how insanely sparkly and reflective that is. It's so pretty! So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Don't forget to give us a little thumbs up, hit like on that video, drop any comments that you've got down in the comment section below, and more importantly, make sure you hit subscribe so that you get a notification for all of our future videos. All of the products that I've used today you can find on our website, which is nailchemy.co.uk, and I will see you in the next video.